Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add music to your Instagram post. And this is very simple. Alright, tap on the plus icon just right there and select the picture that you want to post. Alright, I want to post the magic pen, so I tap on this pen and then tap on next. Alright, now if we tap on browse, just left right here, we have a lot of options that we can use. Alright, I want to use Gordo Sideways. That is my song, you know. And now if I search for that and tap on Sideways, we can select the part of the song that we want to use. Now, you see with the rosé dots the famous parts of it. So I select it just right there. And from here it's fine. Then do done. Then tap on next. Share. And right now, if you can see, we just posted a picture of our famous pen with the song from Gordo Sideways. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.